Common Market Law Review is an academic journal which publishes a lot of highly regarded journal articles about European Union law. Now, most of the journal articles that you're encouraged to read for law modules are available online. The library has paid for all Oxford Brookes students to have access to legal databases such as Westlaw, Lexis+, and Hein Online. And lots of the journal articles that you'll need to read will be available there. It's normally really easy to find the journal articles that your module leader recommends. Just look at any module reading list. You can spot the journal articles because they're labelled Article. Simply click on the View Online button next to any of them. But the Common Market Law Review works differently. The library buys the Common Market Law Review in printed format rather than digital format. This means that when you see an article from the Common Market Law Review on a reading list, there won't be a View Online button. So, how can you get hold of this article? Click on View Availability, then One Copy Available Soon. You'll then be taken to this page on Library Search. Can you see this Request Journal button down the right? Click on that. You can also scan this QR code to get to the same request form. On the form, you'll need to say which volume and issue you want to read. If you look back at the article on the reading list, you'll be able to see that information. The form will also ask for the journal's call number. This bit of information helps library staff find it quicker. For the Common Market Law Review, the call number is J341.242C. At the top of this request form, you'll see how long you have to wait and where you can collect your request from. If you want to read another article from another volume of the Common Market Law Review, just fill out the form again with the details of that volume. Once the journal has been fetched for you, you can read it anywhere in the library, but you're not allowed to take it out of the library. Again, the top of the form tells you what to do with the journal once you finish reading it. Two other useful things to know. Firstly, although the older copies of the Common Market Law Review have to be fetched from the library store, the most recent issue is available to read at any time. You can find the most recent issue in the glass-fronted room next to the welcome desk on level 1 of Headington Library. Flick through this to see what the latest ideas and developments are in EU law. Again, you can take this anywhere in the library to read, but please don't take it out of the library. Secondly, how can you go beyond the reading list? I've shown you how to request journal articles from a reading list, but what if you don't know what you want to read? A good starting point is to search for a topic or a case on Westlaw. Articles from the Common Market Law Review may then show up in your search results. Remember, you won't be able to read the articles from this journal on Westlaw, but at least you now know they exist. I tried searching for this, and can you see there's details of an article from the Common Market Law Review in the results? I can read the abstract to get a summary of what it discusses. If I like it, I can go back to that print journal's request form we looked at earlier. Westlaw has helpfully told me the volume and issue number as well as the year. I can now put these in the request form. And as always, please get in touch if you get stuck trying to find what you need.